As we know, each product has certain length of life during which passes through certain identifiable stages, right? The period of stay of a product in the market differs from product to product, which owing to several factors. So every management tries to make its product survive in the market for a long period. For this purpose, it follows various strategies in the different stages of the life cycle of a product. So the marketing strategies to be adopted by an enterprise, different stages may be discussed below. So in this video, we are going to discuss about marketing strategies to be adopted during the life cycle of a product. So as we know, the life cycle of a product refers to the various stages of a product which goes through from its introduction through its growth, maturity, saturation, and eventually it declines from the market, right? So here we are going to discuss about various strategies can be adopted in different stages of the life cycle of a product. Then let us discuss first one at the introductory stage, right? So at the introductory stage, what are the strategies can be adopted by a marketer? So the marketing strategies at the introductory stage should include the following. First one, effective advertising. So this effective advertising which informing the customers about the product, right? You know that. So advertising means in a different channels of distributions are there, right? Different channels. Advertising can be given in paper advertisement, television, radio, or social media advertisement, right? So the effective advertisement can be adopted by a company. That is first point in the introductory stage or in the introduction stage. And second one, personal selling also must be given sufficient attention. Personal selling, door to door selling. So this is also one of the strategies can be adopted in the introduction stage, so that the customers can be known about the products, the quality of the products, or information about the products. Understood? So this is another strategy, marketing strategy. And third one, physical distribution. The system of physical distribution should also be very good. Physical distribution, I already told, door to door selling, right? Or face to face meeting the customers, right? So this is also one of the marketing strategies, so that the customers or consumers they come to know about the product, they come to know about the information about the product, right? Or quality of the product, right? So there, and next one, there should be an extensive selling. So in the introduction stage there should be extensive selling, and marketer, every marketer, they have to adopt certain strategies or certain advertising strategies to sell the particular product or particular commodity. So there should be extensive selling. And next one, there should be introductory inducement. They have to introduce the product into the market, then only their product or any commodity can be sold, right? So these are the strategies, different kinds of strategies that can be adopted by a marketer in a introduction stage. I hope this one is understood, right? Effective advertising, personal selling, physical distribution, extensive selling, introductory inducement. And in the second stage, the advertising, and that is in the growth stage, the advertising and sales promotion and extensive selling undertaken in the introductory stage will have to be effect in the growth stage, right? So that is, sales will pick up smoothly in the growth stage and start attracting the competitors in the field. So the marketing strategies in this stage, in every marketer, they have to adopt some of the strategies in the growth stage, because here the sales of the particular product will pick up, right? So that it which attracts the competitors in the market. Understood? So while entering the competitors, the existing company or existing enterprise, they have to adopt some strategies to sell the product. First, marketing strategy should shift to price appeals to product improvement. Yeah, that is important. Here the existing company or existing enterprise, they have to shift the strategy to product improvement. They have to improve their existing product because the competitors are attracting. Understood? So, because of high sales in the existing company which attracts the competitors in the market, that's why they have to improve the product or quality of the product. Understood? And programs of advertising and sales promotion, that is important in every stage. Understood? In order to maintain the stage of growth for a long time, the marketers must concentrate upon programs of advertising and sales promotion. So they have to concentrate on various advertising activities or sales promotional activities or door-to-door selling or extensive selling or physical distribution. Understood? They have to concentrate on these kind of programs, various promotional programs. And next one, new brands of products. So new alternative brands of product must be introduced and brought to the notice of the customer. So while entering the competitors into the market, they have to introduce new alternative brands of product, and they must introduce they must introduce new products within new quality or good quality, and they have to brought to the notice of the customers. Then only then that product can be sold, right? And next one, new market segment. So that is also one of the strategy in the growth stage, right? New market segment for the product must be discovered. Segment, they have to divide the total market into in a different group, and in the growth stage they have to discover or they have to adopt new market segment, because here the competitors are coming. Understood? So that's why they have to segment total market into different kinds of market. And next one, physical distribution. So this system of physical distribution must be made sound. I already told in the first stage, right? Physical distribution also must be made. So during the growth stage, if you sell the product in a field, then the customers will come to know about the product, right? Customers will come to know about the quality of the product, about the information, right? So that's why the physical distribution also one of the strategy in the growth stage. And next one, reactions of the customers. A close study of the reactions of the customers must also be made, so that necessary changes may be made in the products. So as a marketer, they have to collect the reactions of the customer. So according to the reactions of the customers, they can make changes, or they can make some necessary changes according to the reactions of the customers. Understood? So they can make the changes in the product. This is about strategies or marketing strategies can be adopted in the growth stage. The next one, at the maturity stage. The maturity stage is a challenge to the marketer which must be faced with strong determination and concrete effort. The marketing strategy is during this stage. First one, changing of marketing strategies or policies and programs. So here the marketer must change his marketing strategies or policies and programs, keeping in view the changing circumstances in the market. So according to the changing circumstances in the market, they have to change, or marketer they have to change his marketing strategies or policies or programs with related to the product. Understood? And also the marketer must also keep close watch upon the policies and strategies of his competitors as well. So that is also important. So he should change his marketing strategies and policies and programs, and also he should watch the policies and strategies of his competitor. Then only he can compete with his competitor, right? So that's why he should know the strategies and policies or programs of his competitors. So this is about only two strategies can be adopted in the maturity stage. And next one, at the saturation stage. So different strategies during this stage should be as follows. Development of new product and alternate uses of existing product. So the marketer must try to develop new product and alternative uses of existing product. Here in the saturation stage, the sales of the particular product will reach to the peak, right? So after the peak point, the sales will be declines. So that's why in the saturation stage, the marketer must try to develop new product and alternative uses of existing product. He has to alter his product. He has to improve his product. Understood? Or else he has to improve, or he has to add some other uses of existing products. Then only he can get success, right? A necessary development and modification. So he has to take, or he has to make some development and modification also be made, so as to attract new customers to use the product. So this is about two strategies in the saturation stage. And in the last, decline stage. So here marketer must try to find out whether there are any possibilities of selling his product or not. In the decline stage, the sales of the particular product declines. So that's why here the marketer must try to find out whether there are any possibilities of selling of his product or not. First, he should know whether is there any possibilities of selling of his product or not. If he finds possibilities of selling his products are nil, then he should decide to stop the production of the product and divert the resources of the production of some new product. Understood? So if he finds that, or if he finds there will be no possibilities of selling product, then he should decide to stop the production of that particular product and divert the resources of the production of some new product. And if he finds the possibilities of selling of his product, then he must go ahead to explore such possibilities, and necessary changes must be made in the product according to the taste, habits and likes of the customers. Understood? So first of all, he must try to find out whether there are any possibilities. If he finds no possibilities, then he should decide to stop the production. If he finds the possibilities, then he must go ahead and explore the possibilities and make necessary changes according to the taste, habits and likes of the customer. This is one of strategy in the decline stage. Reduction of cost. So that is one more important. Steps should be also taken to reduce the cost. For this purpose, research and development should be undertaken. So here in the decline stage, he should concentrate on reduce the cost of that particular product. Then only that product can be sold, right? And increase the utility of the product. The steps may also be taken to increase the utility of the product. So utility of the product means introduce new uses of the particular product, and new attractions such as gift to purchase may be thought of. So new attractions, or buy one get one, that is one of the strategy, right? So new attractions such as gift to purchase may be thought of. So these are the certain strategies in the decline stage. Understood? So as we have here today, we have discussed different strategies to be adopted during the different stages of a life cycle of a product. In the next class, we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is new product development or development of a new product. If you have any doubts, you can clarify it. Thank you.